Hi guys, welcome back to Yasmin Days. In this video, I will give you guys a little explanation about fact and opinion. And I will have one topic that I choose for my assignment. So, let's start. Yasmin Days, jangan lupa subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Okay, what is fact? Fact is something that can be proved that is true. For example, the capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta, and it's true. And another example, human needs oxygen, and that's true. So, what about opinion? Opinion is something that we think or feel that cannot be proven. The example of opinion is, I am pretty. Yeah, that is my opinion. But for some people, I'm not pretty. And another example is, this doll is the cutest doll in the world. And that is just my opinion. Okay, now it's about the topics that I choose for my assignment. The topic is, computer can or cannot replace lecture. If you ask me this, I will answer, computer cannot replace lecture. Why? Because 1. Computers are only an intermediary that help us on the process of online learning. But the material that we got is from our lecture. And 2. Computers are inanimate objects that don't know how to interact like humans. That's why lecture is still the main key for students. And the last is, interaction between humans cannot be replaced by technology. So that's why computer cannot replace lecture. Okay, that is my opinion. If you guys have another opinion, you can tell me in the comments. So, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And bye-bye!